Thinking about a wingding or getaway this month or next? Just make sure those fantastic online getaway ads are legit or real before making your e-wallet payments. Our Ryan Lasigas has the details on this PNP advisory on a growing number of vacation hoaxes in cyberspace.
March is here again, the season when many people start planning their summer vacation. And when it comes to planning, social media is often the first place people turn to. But the Philippine National Police Anti-Cybercrime Group or PNP-ACG warns the public to be cautious because the dream vacation and relaxation you are hoping for might turn into a nightmare. According to PNP-ACG spokesperson Police Lieutenant Wallen May Arancillo, cases of vacation scams usually increase during this time of the year. In fact, the PNP-ACG has recorded 29 vacation scam cases from January to February 2026.
Sa mga kababayan po nating nagpaplano magbakasyon, huwag po tayong magmadali. Lalong-lalo na kung sa social media or online platform po tayo nag-book. Since po ang mga cybercriminals ay naghahanap lang ng mga pwedeng mabiktima through social engineering.
To attract victims, the PNP-ACG said scammers create fake advertisements using stolen photo or legitimate resorts and condominiums.
Ang kadalasang modus operandi ng mga cybercriminals ay gumagamit po sila ng mga fake advertisement at pinopost po ito sa mga social media platforms and mga online marketplaces. Ang karaniwang ginagawa nila ay kumukuha sila ng mga photos and videos sa mga legit na resorts and accommodation and pinupost nila ito sa murang halaga.
Arancillo said scammers usually ask for a down payment through online money transfers. Once the victim sends the payment, the scammers then block them.
Meron po tayong mga natatanggap dito na mga complaints regarding po sa pagdating nila doon sa mismong accommodation ay wala palang resort or ganitong klaseng hotel sa ganung lugar. So ang pinaka magandang gawin po dyan, pwede po tayo mag-legit check.
Last year, the PNP-ACG recorded 28 vacation scam cases. Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.